This is the uppercase letter O. The letter O makes the aw sound, like in the word octopus.
Pop all the bubbles with the letter O.
O. O. O.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter O. Pop all the bubbles with the letter B.
B. B. B.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter B. Can you find the letter O? Tap them all. Aw. 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 Good job! Can you find the letter P? Tap them all. Good thinking! Can you find the letter O? Tap them all. Aw. 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 Good work! Can you find the letter S? Tap them all. S. 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 You did it! You found them! Trace the uppercase letter O. Great! You traced the letter O.
This is the letter O, and this is the lowercase o. And the letter O makes the ah sound, like in the word octopus. It's a pool party! The letter O!
Drag the letter O into the bowl. Aw. 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 Great! You put the letter O into the bowl. Drag the letter B into the glass.
B. B. B.
Great! You put the letter B into the glass. Which one has the letter O? Tap it.
O.
Great! Which one has the letter P? Tap it.
P.
Great job! Which vehicle has the letter O? Tap it.
O.
Awesome! Which one has the letter S? Tap it.
S.
Cool beans! Trace the lowercase letter O. Great! You traced the letter O.